Hi guys, I'm going to show you how to set up a Wildfly or JBoss application server. First things first, you have to browse to your favorite search engine, and you can actually search for the download or go ahead to wildfly.org/downloads and choose the final and stable version of the server. Download the zip file or any other file you want. I'm going with the zip file for the ease of this. I'm not going to actually download the file. I have already downloaded the file prior to this recording. I placed it in my desktop. The thing is that you have to extract the files from the zip file folder and place this file where you want your Wildfly or JBoss installation to be. Use a terminal and browse to this folder, and what we're going to do, I'll have the Finder open here so you can check the path alongside with my terminal there. And next step is that you need to go to standalone folder. Nope, that was just wrong. I think this is the bin folder we need to be in. And if you're in a Windows computer, you'll need to run the standalone bat, or if you're in a Unix system, you need to go for the standalone .sh. Since I'm using a Unix oriented system, I will go to I will use a standalone.sh file. Go to the go in the bin file and run the standalone .sh file for my terminal. This actually starts the server. Now the server has started. I'll go on browse to localhost :8080. You see the Wildfly 10 is running message here, but you have to go to administration console, and from there there is a message saying that you need to add users. In order to do this, you have to run the add user sh script. So next step is shut the server down and run that script. Oops. The question here is whether you want to create a management user or an application user. I'll go with the management user for the sake of this presentation. You then need to add the username for the new user. Let's call this guy user, and next is a password for the user. the passwords that contain at least 8 characters. Okay, we can go on and just use 1, 2, 3 or whatever you got in mind. So this is testing and presentation purposes only. Yes, I know that the password is not strong enough. I'm going to use this anyway. I'm going 1, 2, 3 again. Now this is time to say and decide whether you want this user to belong in several groups, but we'll go and we'll bypass this and just leave it blank. Go ahead and press enter. I choose yes in the management realm again. This is some more this needs some more elaborating right now, and I'm not going to get into this. So just for running simple apps, this will the web apps, this will be just fine. So just type no and go on. And then this is how you add a user to your Wildfly server, and I'm going to fire the server again since I am the same folder. I go /standalone.sh and then enter. Again, if you're in a Windows system, you can go on and run the standalone.bat file. It doesn't take long when to start the server when there are no apps deployed on the server, so it's like 4 seconds or something. And going back to our browser, localhost :8080, and the administration console will be on localhost :9990, and I will enter the username for the user we just created, which is user, and the password 123. This is what I use for demo purposes, and this is it. You've got your Wildfly up and running, and you can deploy your WAR files and your web apps. Thank you.